dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a new vlog and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So for the past 1 year I've been manifesting. Actually, I started thinking about it like 6 months ago, and I started to put it in my head that I needed a cooker, and finally I got a cooker. I got a cooker. Look at it. It is very nice. It is in one of my favorite colors, that is beige. Some of you may be seeing gray, but it is in beige and black, and I love it. Look at it. I just don't have enough words to say this, but I'm proud of me. I'm proud of the journey. And yeah, I got a fridge last month, and this month I got a cooker. Like, let me just take you through the tour of it.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday. No, today is Saturday, and it's currently 11 a.m. and I'm going to town, and after I'm going for swimming. Actually, I think this is my first time, the first time I'm going to swimming on a swimming, because I've taken long. But yeah, I'm going to meet up with a friend. I think you saw her in my last video, and we're going to go for swimming because I've taken long. Another thing, I wanted to show you my skin. It's getting late. It's been a week and 2 days of skincare, and look at that, girl, we're there. So I love it, I'm in love with it. But yeah, I have to go. Bye, see you. So most of you have been complaining about my low voice, or is the voice is low. I decided to get a microphone. Damn, they are so expensive. So I got it the previous day, but on Friday, but it wasn't working because they had given me a pin, like the receiver was a pin for a pin, and yet my phone is a C type, so we thought it was going to work, but when we tried to use it, it wasn't working. So I decided to go back on the second day, on Saturday, before I went for swimming. I went back with my brother, and then we got another one. So I will be unboxing that microphone, and actually there are two, and yeah, I'll be showing you everything. They are really nice. So this is me speaking in a microphone, or I'm using one of the microphones. I don't know whether they are nice, but this is my first time to use them. Thank you. Hey guys, so I've reached actually. I want to go to the salon, to the nail parlor after I leave this place, because yeah, they don't look so nice. So I've reached the place. This is my first time to be here, and I'm waiting for Sandra to come so that we can swim. I don't know what to expect, but I hope the place is good, because I just don't know. So my friend finally came in, and I went back to swimming. Finally, after 1 year of not swimming, I thought I'd forgotten all the styles, but hey, I'm so good, and yeah, I had a good time here. Like 2 hours of swimming, 2.5 hours. We ordered for food, but guys, I've never tasted food like this. It was quite expensive. Swimming was affordable, but the food was quite expensive. But it is the worst food that I've ever tasted. So being my first time to be here, I didn't know what to expect, but I was hungry, because you know when you're swimming you get hungry. But guys, it was bad. It was this is the worst food I've ever tasted. So if you go here, or if you come here, I don't recommend you to eat food from this place.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, fuck everybody, just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.